Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So finally SBI PO final interview is out. You can check the result. छोटा सा list दिया हुआ है, not very big. This much candidates have cleared, but the happy part is I am able to see most of the candidates from my Telegram groups have cleared. So just going like this, messages. Congratulations. So if you have also cleared, do write in the comment box, guys. All the very best. And those who have not cleared, for them, my message is, it's just, see, you have already reached up to the final level. You are very close to the selection. A little push you need and you will be there in the next time in the list. And if you have already cleared, I want your message in the comment box. All the best. Do check your result. Let me know in the comment box. All the best, guys. Big congratulations to all of you. So do check the result and let me know about your result. Take care.